Are you a muscle car fan? Think American muscle cars rule the road? Well, brace yourself. Australia's got its own heavyweights, and they're packing some serious punch. From sleek designs to raw, untamed power, these Aussie classics aren't just muscle cars. They're legends with stories to tell. Today, let's dive into the wild world of Australian muscle cars that made even American auto enthusiasts do a double take. Australian muscle car scene. Australian muscle cars may not get as much global spotlight as Mustangs or Camaros, but down in Australia, they were creating machines that were just as powerful and, in many cases, unique. Let's roll back to a time when Ford, Holden, and Chrysler Australia were in a fierce rivalry, each aiming to create the fastest, boldest muscle car. So buckle up as we reveal 9 Australian muscle cars that changed the game forever. Number 1. 1968 Holden Monaro GTS, the Trailblazer. First on our list is a true icon, the 1968 Holden Manaro GTS 327. With a powerful 327 cubic inch V8 engine delivering 250 horsepower, the Manaro GTS redefined what Australian muscle cars could achieve. This car didn't just make waves on the streets. It secured Holden's first major victory at the legendary Bathurst race, cementing its place in Australian motorsport history. 2. 1969 Valiant Pacer, 6-cylinder surprise. Next, we have the 1969 Valiant Pacer, a car that proved muscle doesn't always need 8 cylinders. Chrysler Australia equipped this sleek machine with a 225 cubic inch slant-6 engine, pushing an impressive 245 horsepower. It could take on V8-powered rivals without breaking a sweat, a testament to Chrysler's engineering innovation. The Pacer quickly became a fan favorite, standing out not only in power, but with a unique Aussie styling that captured hearts. 3. 1970 Holden GTRX, futuristic dream. This wasn't just any car. The 1970 Holden GTRX was a futuristic vision that looked like it drove out of a sci-fi movie. With a lightweight fiberglass body and a sleek wedge-shaped design, the GTRX wasn't just a car. It was Holden's ambitious dream for the future. Although it never made it to full production, its legacy endures as one of the most iconic Australian muscle concepts. Number 4. 1971 Ford Falcon XY GTH Phase 3, the game changer. The 1971 Ford Falcon XY GTH Phase 3 redefined muscle with its astonishing power. Equipped with a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and reaching speeds that could challenge any sports car, this family-sized sedan could go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 6 seconds. The Phase 3 took the muscle car scene by storm and dominated the Bathurst track, making it an Australian legend that's still highly prized among collectors. 5. 1971 Valiant Charger VH, the cultural icon. Holden had their icons, Ford had theirs, and Chrysler gave us the 1971 Valiant Charger VH. This muscle car wasn't just about horsepower, it became a cultural phenomenon with its slogan, "Hey Charger." The E38 version packed a powerful Hemi 6-cylinder engine, making it one of the fastest 6-cylinder cars of its time. The Charger didn't just represent power, it symbolized Australia's unique muscle car identity. 6. 1973 Ford Falcon XY GTRX 83, the supercar scare. Amid new regulations aiming to limit high-performance vehicles, Ford pulled a clever trick with the 1973 Falcon XY GTRX 83. This car looked like a regular sedan, but carried a 351 cubic inch V8 engine capable of nearly 400 horsepower. Ford ensured muscle could still thrive in the age of restrictions, making the XY GTRX 83 a true example of Aussie resilience. 7. 1973 Ford Landow, luxury meets muscle. Who said muscle and luxury couldn't coexist? Ford's 1973 Landow took the Falcon's power and added high-end touches. Under the hood, it roared with a 351 V8, while inside, drivers enjoyed plush seats and high-quality finishes. The Landow offered muscle enthusiasts the best of both worlds, a powerhouse engine combined with luxurious comforts. Number 8. 1976 Holden Manaro HXLE, the final chapter. The 1976 Holden Manaro HXLE Coupe marked the end of an era. With a 5.0-liter V8 engine, the HXLE wasn't just a muscle car, it was Holden's tribute to a decade of automotive innovation. This model blended performance with an added touch of luxury, signaling the shift in Australia's car market. It was the Manaro's swan song, leaving a legacy cherished by collectors. Number 9, 1974 Valiant Charger Sportsman, the hidden gem. Rounding off our list is the 1974 Valiant Charger Sportsman. With its distinctive orange paint and black striping, this car made a statement on the road. But it wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, the E55 V8 engine ensured the Sportsman had muscle to match. It may not have gained the fame of its rivals, but its rarity makes it a true collector's treasure. Closing thoughts. Aussie muscle legacy. Australian muscle cars tell a story of innovation, passion, and competition. These cars weren't just built for speed. They were crafted with a unique Australian spirit that continues to resonate with enthusiasts worldwide. These machines stand as a tribute to a golden era, showcasing Australia's contribution to the global muscle car legacy. If you enjoyed this dive into Australia's muscle car history, hit like and subscribe for more insights into the world's most iconic cars.